Hello, professionals and friends. Let's welcome back. Come again and again to my channel to learn something about my experience. Okay, this is lesson 3. This is not for me, this is for you. Okay, what is the topic today? Okay, blinking practice helps surprisingly sometimes without doubt any SAP ECC or S4 HANA. What is blinking practice? So, for example, you are practicing your SAP every day, like 3 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, or 2 hours initially. Okay. Who is actually, you know, do more practice? They can able to play real-time environment just like this. Okay. It's not all about your experience. Your skills matters. Okay, second a time, like if you are for new project, new skill, if you are not able to handle that, you are a biggest failure if you are having 20 years of experience also. New fresher came, new experience shown person came, okay, silently. So his subconscious mind, his mind, his soul says he's the best in SAP market. For practice, they can handle just like this. There is no doubt. I'll tell you. One instance happens. This is exactly in my one of my project. So I'm in call with one on-site business analyst. He's not from SAP. I'm from SAP, and my Accenture counterpart. I'm not from Accenture. I'm from another company. By the time he's technical counterpart, and that person, all three sit together. So I raised one issue, like one table. So there should be some netting calculation based on the line items, uh, like what exactly it is delivered, maybe multiple line items. So I found one surprising instance on issue, an ECC. Suppose 1,000 US dollars is there, total value. When I click billing document second time and save, when I go to BF02 again, if I click save, again 1,000 adding, BF02 again, one more 1,000 adding. So when you're really mad about SAP, certain times while working also, I don't know, it will give some influence to find some issues. Okay, I'm doing my FAT. So at the table, actually it is counting 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000 like that it is adding. How do you control? The same F2 as ZF2, it is copied. How do you control and click? But surprisingly, we had a discussion with the on-site client after our discussion. So he said that we don't have any ready-made solution. This is not new. This is what it is happening. So when it was went live 2 years ago, so there is no solution. Probably there is another 6 months it might come. So till that time, our calculations are getting wrong. What we have to do it? Got a bright idea. So I asked a mapper, right, why I'm talking about practice. So I have seen a view, TBAK. This is the table actually you will get, your document types drop down configuration. If you say V underscore TBAK, that is view actually. I have done some by the time, like, 7, 6 years, so 7, like, not 7, 5, 6 years ago, I have done practice. I have very fresh mind. So by the time I'm not married, probably newly married, my memory is full of, you know, SAP things. Okay, I'm just joking. So V underscore TVAK. So I just asked a mapper in your VBRK, there is some field called FKRT document type. So in that view drop down, I asked him when it is first time saved. So wherever the table we will have multiple entries, the 1,000 value is there, invoice value. Okay. So what he did, we just take a loop Okay, filter of V underscore TVFK or TVAK. TVFK, I remember, it is a billing document. You just take the filter and simply try to, take the value whenever we run the particular migration table report. Every time, once first time it is saved based on the timestamp, we pick that value. So what he has done, he has taken duplicate key, one additional internal table key. So first time when it is saved, he kept it X so that after that how many times the table will generate with thousand. If you run 100 times, 1 lakh it will generate, but when X is there, activated field value for the first time, it will read that. He gave the temporary solution like that. Of course, the same thing where, so first we fix it for like for invoice, and after that the same thing we have fixed it for credit memo and debit memo document types also. This is one of the element on a complex solution. So because if I don't know TVFK, probably the blinking practice element pushed me. There I explained, of course, that is working. The on-site counterpart don't have any option to deny the fact that I have given the solution. So the credit goes to BAP as well as the functional expertise with memory at my end. That worked surprisingly. Like that, I will share some more lesson. So probably you can hear that what happens if we are working faster, but actual team in a position to deny our advice, pre-assume things. What is going to happen in another 5 to 6 months if it is in UAT phase? We'll see that example in next lesson. Okay. I think you love this example. By the way, so I don't have something to share because I have done 100 plus hours in Udemy, a lot of real-time courses. If you want, you can go ahead and surprisingly, you can learn everything on our own without any trainer help. If you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my YouTube channel to learn about more my real-time stories. I'll try to bring you all my colleagues to inspire you. Don't worry, this is not a normal channel. Okay. So, but like it is, certainly it will be helpful to you. It will fill a lot of confidence within you. So the only thing is that you have to do practice to reach your goal. That is more important. Certain times markets will be down. Who cares? When market is open, get your job. Okay. Tough times ahead in our lives. Okay. No problem. Work hard. One day we'll be successful. Okay. I particularly suggest this course who is new to SAP SD and who has the passion to learn pricing. These are the two courses available. This is one of my top courses, highest rated. And if someone wants it, they can get into this course. And for real time, getting mastered the right functional specification. Don't worry about that. Certain times this price will be, you might get 400 to 600 rupees. You can try that one, no issues. I'm just showing. All these are the courses around 90 to 20 courses available, including free course. So idocs, one more course available, transportation. You can utilize an opportunity to learn something at reasonable price. Okay, it's up to you how you want to take it. So that's why what finally I wanted to say is practice. Practice has a lot of advantage. This is a simple example I'm showing you to inspire you. Okay, don't find shortcuts. Believe in yourself. If you have heart, God is as broader heart to help you out. Okay. Okay. Somewhere some people get inspired by me. Jai Bharat. Thank you. All the best.